Did you know that owning a home can be a financial roller coaster? Beyond the mortgage, unexpected repairs and renovations can drain your savings faster than you think. Hi, I'm Emma, Darius' assistant. Let's dive into the hidden costs of homeownership and why it's essential to do your due diligence when buying a home. Imagine a leaky roof or a broken furnace. Without a landlord to call, you're on the hook for repairs. That's why having a slush fund is crucial for unforeseen expenses. It's your safety net in the world of homeownership. Most of your renovation budget will go to essentials you can't really show off if you didn't catch them during escrow. Think plumbing, wiring, or insulation. These aren't glamorous, but they're necessary to keep your home running smoothly. How about renovations that you planned on doing? Balancing fun projects with essential repairs is key. While a new kitchen is exciting, sometimes a new water heater takes priority. It's about making smart choices for long-term comfort. Before making major changes, live in your space. Understand its quirks and what truly needs fixing. This patience can save you from costly regrets down the line. Avoid rushing into decisions. Premature renovations might lead to dissatisfaction. Take time to know your home, and you'll make choices that truly enhance your living experience. Your neighbors can make or break your living experience. Knowing your community is vital. Engage with local groups or social media to gather insights about your neighborhood dynamics. A vibrant community can enhance your home's value. It's not just about the house, it's about the environment you live in. Choose wisely, and you'll enjoy a richer living experience. A good school district boosts home value, even if you don't have kids. It's a long-term investment that pays off when it's time to sell. Consider this when choosing your home. The benefits of a reputable school district extend beyond education. They influence community quality and property value. It's a factor that can significantly impact your home's worth. Learning DIY skills can save you money on home projects. Platforms like YouTube, HGTV, DIY Network, Home and Garden offer invaluable tutorials. However, balance DIY with professional help for complex tasks to avoid costly mistakes. By embracing DIY, you'll gain confidence and save money. Start small and gradually tackle bigger projects. Remember, every skill you learn adds value to your home and your life. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and feel free to hit like and subscribe if you like this content. And be sure to make it a wonderful day.